My new Juki has arrived. I'm so happy. Yes, yes. This Juki will take the place from my Zoya. The Zoya I sold, it was a big machine, and I didn't have the perfect place for it. It took so much space. So I sold it and I bought a smaller Juki 2010 TL, I think it's called. So let's open it. I bought it from a place in, I think it's from Estonia. I think it's called the TL-2010 the place I bought it from. So here are all the pieces. The manual. Knee lever, really important piece. I love knee levers. Power cord, really important too. But I think I have at least 10 laying around here at home. The foot pedal. It's a dual. You can press on the top for speed and on the back for thread cut. Love it. So, a bag full of oil and pieces for the machine. Oh, I don't like the fact that the oil is only half. The rest is in this bag. Not good at all. Not good. This is a cover for the machine. This is the extension cable for the machine. I put it aside. And this is the machine. Now I think I will turn it on the side and pull it out. So, now I will put it on. And voila, here is the beautiful Juki. Wow, love it, love it, love it. Wow. Here it is. Oh, you cannot see. beautiful, new and shiny. I love it. The new baby on the block. Wow, I'm happy.